was like worried, hesitating, fumbling at many places. Like I was very much worried about my tone and my depth of my voice and like how am I going to start or stop and it's all. But the strategies I got from LA Academy were really helpful, and I cracked my PTE in just the very first attempt, and all was due to the feedback I got from my tutors.
Hi guys, this is 𝗏𝗧𝗘 signing in from Language Academy City CBD branch. I'm very proud and excited to have Adnan here with me, who has recently smashed his PTE exam as a first-time test taker. How are you feeling, Adnan?
It's fantastic. It's great. I can't express my feelings right now. I don't have much words.
Since you were a first test taker, you were very hesitant in the beginning, you were very nervous, you were getting a little bit impatient, you were feeling that you won't land up anywhere and this is not going to be just your first attempt, you will have to sit for your exam again. So what were your challenges that you faced during your preparation time or during your PTE journey?
Everything you just said was like on point for me. I was like worried, hesitating, fumbling at many places, and the most frequent challenges I faced were in the reading sections where we do the reordered paragraphs, where we do the fill in the blanks, and the most important thing for me was the speaking section, where like I was very much worried about my tone and my depth of my voice and like how am I going to start or stop and it's all. But the strategies provided from you guys really helped me out.
So when it comes to strategies, there are numerous strategies online, right? You can study online, you can do whatever you want to do. But what do you think is the importance of direction, the importance of feedback when it comes to applying those strategies? Because I can go online, I can look out for many strategies. But how can I get my strategies assessed? What is the importance of that?
I would say the most important thing would be like to approach your tutors and show them what you have done, and then you get the feedback. And once you get the feedback, it's all on you, like how much you practice, how much effort you put in. As we all know, like there are many strategies outside available from different institutes, different tutors, but the strategies I got from LA Academy were really helpful, and those really helped me save my time, because as a working person, I would say I don't really practice much. I practiced only like approximately 2 to 3 hours a day, that too not for long, just for a few days. And I cracked my PTE in just the very first attempt, and all was due to the feedback I got from my tutors, especially 𝗏𝗧𝗘 sir and Samira ma'am, Ali sir, and many more guys who are working here. These guys helped me in such a way that I got a specific direction to work on. Like if I'm here for 2 hours, they used to give me specific tasks that I can perform in those 2 hours, and the rest I used to practice at home.
So it's very important to have a plan before you start your PTE journey. The first thing that becomes very important is you need to know what are the tasks, how to do it. And then you need to have a certain amount of direction, how to do it as per your way of doing it, right? Everyone can perform differently. So you need to know how you're doing it and how you can make it better. Now, what are the challenges that you were facing initially with your speaking? When we were practicing, we found out that you were struggling a little bit with speaking. You had a strong base of grammar. Your reading was almost fine. Your listening was fine, but you were still struggling with speaking. So what actually helped you?
My biggest concern was like I was more worried than I was confident. I was always fumbling at the starting notes, like when it says there are just like 2 seconds, 1 second left. I used to fumble. I used to get confused between the sentences. But the faith my tutors showed in me, the way they helped me practice was just fabulous for me, and it worked out.
That's very important, that you need to know how you're doing and how you can get your scores assessed, your performance assessed. So guys, if you are struggling in any of the sections, please come and see us. Please don't waste your time. Please don't waste your money, because here money you can still earn it, but you can never earn time. So I wish you luck for your journey, and I'll be very, very glad to help you out in any way I can throughout your PTE journey. Thank you, and congratulations again, Adnan.
Thank you so much.
It was nice having you. Thank you.
So much.